Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another cleaning motivation video. Today we're doing some serious extreme cleaning. I have a ton of motivation for you in this video. We're going all around my house and doing a full whole house deep clean. So stay tuned for the whole video to get tons of motivation, and I hope that this helps you get started and get ready for your week ahead.
You start me up like no one has ever could. You feel my fire.
I'm stripping our bed and the guest bed, and I'm going to clean all of the sheets so everything is nice and fresh.
Cause you're right, yeah you're right, we are going too fast, but no I don't know how to stop. But I've been feeling like you're pretty easy to like when your body is closer to mine. You got me feeling like there's no one other than you who can make me lose my mind. You start me up like no one has ever could. You feel my fire. What are the odds we end up loving this, spending every minute together?
If you guys are new here, hello and welcome. My name is Jillian and I make a ton of cleaning motivation and homemaking content on this channel. So if you love those kinds of videos, I post new videos every single week, so I would love it if you subscribed.
You feel my fire, fire, fire. You feel my fire, fire, fire. You feel my fire, fire, fire. You feel my fire. Let's keep this fire alive. Let's keep this fire alive. You start me up like no one has ever could. You
just finishing up the second bathroom, and now we're going to remake the bed, and then we're gonna head downstairs and clean up the main floor.
It's the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me, oh. Now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake, now you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side.
Okay, I just wanted to give you guys a bit of an overview so you can see what we're working with. We had some huge messes down here, so let's get started after we do this overview and tackle all of them.
In my bed 5 to 12, wish I could sleep. Dream about all the ways you could reach me, but now you keep missing out on me, that's for sure. Take down your walls and let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me, won't you be mine? Won't you be mine? Won't you be mine? Wide awake is the way that you left me. I wanna be by your side. I wanna be by your side.
I feel like I'm constantly cleaning out this fridge in these videos, but I hope you guys enjoy it. It's just really satisfying for me to have all of the drinks lined up and everything nice and organized, so I hope you guys like it as much as I do.
So insecure by myself when I met you. Won't you give me any warning? I've been thinking about you day and night and day and night. To be honest, I just don't know what to do next. 'Cause I'm the one with a broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me. I'm a mess, need to untangle, and I'm a fool for you, baby. Fool for you, baby. Waiting for you to come out and save me. Fool for you. You were making me so sure in a heartbeat. All of my doubts disappearing at last. You made me fall without saying a sentence. Won't you give me any warning? I've been thinking about you day and night and day and night.
I'm using my Thieves Cleaner for everything in this video. That's pretty much all I clean my house with, or I make DIYs with my Thieves concentrate. So if you see me with the spray bottle, it's always Thieves Cleaner.
I'm a fool for you, baby. Fool for you, baby. Waiting for you to come out and save me. Fool for you. logical. That's something that you do to me is chemical. I know it isn't logical. Something that you do to me. I'm the one with a broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me. I'm a mess, need to untangle, and I'm a fool for you, baby. Fool for you, baby. Waiting for you to come out and save me. Fool for you.
Okay, we're gonna go through now and clean off all of my countertops and everything that's on my countertops, but if you're kind of over this and you're kind of done with the countertop stuff, then skip to 12:56 on the timestamps, and you're gonna see me clean my stovetop. I promise you guys, it's really satisfying, so skip to there if you're kind of over this.
Inside your bedroom, we stopped counting the days, lost in the rhythm. Physical silence, no need to speak a word, lay here beside me. Don't wanna move too fast, your lips on the floors, sipping on your love, sipping on your love. I never dared to ask if we're gonna last. I'm needing all your love, needing all your love. Oh, when you, oh my God, you know you're playing your cards so right. Oh, I'm always looking for hearts, just in the dirty clubs and diamonds. Take me, oh my God, oh, but we'll hold our faces straight. Oh, I'm always looking for hearts, I'm always looking for hearts. Your blood is pumping, I feel it in your veins, surfing your heat waves. Your taste is different, somehow it makes me brave, chemical nature.
Okay, I was just using my Thieves soft scrub. That's one of the DIYs that I make with my Thieves concentrate, and the recipe for how to make that is always in the description box below.
Oh, when you, oh my God, you know you're playing your cards so right. Oh, I'm always looking for hearts, just in the dirty clubs and diamonds. Take me, oh my God, oh, but we'll hold our faces straight. Oh, I'm always looking for hearts, I'm always looking for hearts, hearts, hearts. I'm always looking for hearts, hearts, hearts. I'm always looking for hearts. Oh my God.
Alright, moving into the living area now. We're gonna get this room cleaned up, and then we're gonna get started on vacuuming and mopping.
Oh my God, it's so cruel how I'm loving the things you do. Ooh, yeah. Oh, when you, oh my God, you know you're playing your cards so right. Oh, I'm always looking for hearts, just in the dirty clubs and diamonds. Take me, oh my God, oh, but we'll hold our faces straight.
I love adding orange essential oil to my mop water. I just think it adds such a nice scent and it goes really well with the smell of thieves in my mop water. Alright, we're just finishing up mopping the main floor, and then that is all I have for you guys today. So thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you haven't already hit that subscribe button, please do so. I post new videos just like this every single week, and I also love to cook. So if you guys like that kind of content, I make a ton of it here, and I would love to have you join me on this channel.
I am here with my friends and we're